Okay, so it's finally time to start sorting out my potatoes. The first ones I'm going to be doing this year are Jazzy and Charlotte's. I've got 10 buckets. You can see one I've already done here. I was just trying out my quantities. That's fine. There's 2 potatoes in there already. You see the rest of the potatoes buckets I've got to do over there, so I'll be working on those next. So the mix I'm using is basically for these 30-litre pots, which is going to be 2/3 the Wickes multi-purpose compost, which is these 2, and that one is the Levington farmyard manure. So all I'm basically doing is use my wheel bow, because it's a lot easier to mix up with the compost, then my manure, and the other compost. Then I'm just going to start cooking with soil. You can get my ingredients together, mix that together. So that's ready to go into the pot now. So get myself a pot. Right, and if you look at the pots, these I got from Oakland Garden Centre. These were £30 for the 10. As you can see, I've done 2 already. Got the rest dotted around. There's a discount code which I'll provide in the description on the video in a second, which is OAK30, which the garden centre said I can share with you guys. You see, these got a really good drainage in the bottom there. So yeah, so let's get this in there. So I'm going to half fill it first. Let's keep going. There. That should do for the first bit. I've got my Jazzy potatoes here, so let's get one. And I'm going to keep these in line with the handle so I know where they are. I'm just going to pop one in there, shove them down there like that. And let's grab a second one, pop them over there, also in line with the handle so I can see where they are. Then to help with the feed, I'm using this, which is the Vitax potato fertilizer. So all I'm going to do with this is a little handful and sprinkle it over the top there, on that layer there, to help feed the potatoes. And then let's put the rest of the soil in over the top. Near that. Most people tend to only just fill their buckets half up and then fill up as the potatoes grow, but you can also do it this way, which is the way I'm going to try. So yeah, that's literally all you do. So I've got another 8 to do, so I'll come back when I've done the rest. Okay, so I've finished doing the first batch of potatoes, the 5 tubs of Jazzy, 5 tubs of Charlotte. I've already watered these here, but I'm going to do the last 2 here. Now, basically 5 litres of water into each one. Giving it a good soak, allows the compost to settle around the potato. Check this out, 5 litres, isn't it? A little bit more. That's about that, and do 5 litres in here. You can see how good the drainage is on these pots. See how it's running out the bottom nice and freely, so hopefully we won't get any potatoes rotting this time. So yeah, so that's them done. I'll be doing another 2 load in 2 weeks' time. That's the Maris Pipers and the Sarpo Miras, which need to go in about mid-April. So I've just got to get another 10 pots first. Yeah, hopefully get a decent crop out of them.